dead. I don't know if it's alive, but its fucking tail's sticking out. Like, another one. Another one in the goddamn toilet. Oh, I'm sorry, bud, that you had to get flushed, but fuck, dude. How many of these things are gonna be in my toilet? Where do you come from, you motherfuckers? The last time I didn't come home for the night, this is what happened. I didn't use my toilet all night because I wasn't here to use it. And there was newts. And now there's more. How the hell are they getting in? Gotta be coming through this thing. After they swim up the sewer and crawl up the drain. But you're not getting away. You're coming out. Because look, this is what happens. He's back here. Then you flush them. They get sucked down there and stuck in the rim down where the other one just was. Dude, you're getting out of there. You don't realize. I'm gonna save you. I'm gonna save you, bro. Look at this little guy. I'll take you back outside where you belong, little buddy. Back outside, little buddy. Thirsty little guy. Ugh, look, he's drooling.